Kajing burom ke markeliang ya ki parlok nong shong shenong ke tany ki badan hapadang kajing dunat khotmen keri kesni ke belarake ha keleng ke perthai ke belatip kum ka International Day of Persons with Disabilities lapan long menta kesni hari boy district hador barhol jongadong sajer hanong po ikni jing rakhe kesni ki parlok nong shong shenong ki dunat khotmen lapan long dak office jongga district social welfare haga jingi trilang bat ka nongpo area women welfare association kumga jingai mensim ikini parlok ki bedunat khotmen bakim dei ban sngo ilade baki duna henry kidan lagajong ke benta ke bakarau hapo ke imlang ke salang bat shibun ki aka ki laban le ke balong da ke jing penmang jingiram nagalyang jong sorkar lengba ki tiar gitar badru ki bor sorkar lagade na ke sorkar jela bat ke sorkar pedeng kedon ke jing penmang jingirap kerpang ya ki bedunat khotmen kabalo buru ye ki jingai jihikai lani ki training ban tre ye ki kam lajong bat onda ki ladep pendep ye ki training ka donru ka lat ban yo ye ka ram na ki bang na ka benta ban sengkam lajong ha ka jing khensut ka baduna na lor ki officer bat ki nong tre jong ka tanat social welfare jong ka sorkar bat ki khot jong ka seng nongpo area women welfare association lai don langru UMLA ka thain uba meral bons im nang tau deputy commissioner ke district u Abilash Baranwal lembat kiwei
Juba don bolมันเป็นแค่ที่ปั๊มจงพี่จงมาขอดูแลเพื่อนที่ในยามHabis ini jadi Kristen kalau berubah ini kibru ublei ulah tahu berpang ulah buru udon berjerong udon berlengkot dan bosngai dan merekod dan berhamsta dan berdunang hamsta dan buyong berstido dan beli berstido dan bersama berstido dan bobiang ide khotmet dan bobiang ide khotmet idon di bomla beri beruna di khotmet idon di bomla beri resmo di sekolah idon di jinduna dan tenteng di mana diubahkan dan tenteng kasih dengertan kila beli tinggal sejen kila beli ibu di tinggal dua pun kau tidak hari ini trong di Kristen ini beli lebih jadi ini dunia kibru kema nginom lah ban mundur lupa lah dia ngin om bagi dia berlong ka ku bagi ini mau beli ulah tahu apa Aduh barang hai aduh bertemi kebun dan sebagainya insan ya bertiang ini kejengir bagi dia berjumpa kalau lalu baik di sini kita kejengir ini kan bagi semua dan kita juga sebut Bapak Long Kristan dalam mereka berkompetan apa yang berkomnya yang burung mereka siapa bah Iwan Selamat tidak lagi berbiang, tidak lagi begitu lah. Tamu-tamu gue yang ngasih ngobrol ban air bersih ya di peran sosial menjadi juara pada Singapura. Wat nom snowren, wat nom snow yang lagi bah pengas ngap bahar ngaji syukur deh, ibe dilong. Nang bahar ngaji kerwat kurang jangan ada ibe dilong. Wat perkat, bung yang liu jumpi.วันนี้มาดีก็ต้องบอกกันสิว่าผมอยู่นี่พอเราแค่ไม่เคยตัวเองล่าอยู่ปุ๋ยแต่สอนกันที่นั่นเหมือนกันdari sini program lah belum terbang ni wan kemau wan burung yang lima kesorkan pren kesorkan belah ini apa hotel ini di nongelang ada yang jorongkan service center tiba ada air pensaing yang Facebook terlawai sebab sebut di bertinggi nanti akan perlu support pada yang tiba pakai scholarship bikin betul video untuk nanti wiki skill di berada untuk lah air jengeran jadi sekitar sebut di bawah di katalah naga social welfare department di supervisor ini anggan di worker ini berada di Senang kita perlu apa korban bertindak kini peran fungsional. Sehingga bagi bertahan di bawah bisnis nasrai dengan platform apa yang telah terbentuk. Partai di sibuk akan komposisi berbeda di top hari dalam dulu kita pergi hari ini berlet hari ini bergerak semua di top aplikasi pemerintah begini ini dijerat di berkembang di bahkan sorkan Senang ini bukan itu lah lagi karena even nak kalian juga skill seperti dan itu ini nak ya kalian belum.
This is something that, as our honorable PM sir has said, is not a disability. He calls it Divyangjan. Basically, it's that we need not treat them as different, rather is the society's inability to make it more inclusive that has led to the disability that they are experiencing. So the entire efforts from the government side, from district administration side, and through the efforts of the local representatives is to make all the places more and more inclusive so that anyone does not feel limited by lack of certain abilities. Simultaneously, sir, the Government of India and Government of Meghalaya has started several programs to help them through the intervention of our DSWO. We are trying to make sure that each and everyone who is a person with disability and is entitled for whatever benefits, whether it is pension, whether it is CM care, whether it is scholarship for the PWD students, we will have, and simultaneously unemployment allowance for the PWD youth. We are trying to make sure that each and everyone gets their due benefit. Sun has ensured that everyone has been enrolled. It's just that some of these benefits are taking time to come up, but we can be very sure that none of the PWD will be left out in this. Simultaneously, we'll try and make sure that in whatever government procurement that we are doing, we will also try and see how we can take more and more products from those who are PWDs and are still engaged in productive activities. Simultaneously, my request to Comsun is to ensure that those whose UDIDs are on the verge of expiry, and you make sure that from your office you take the initiative, conduct the assessment camps, and simultaneously make sure that those UDIDs are renewed in time. And simultaneously, recently, sir, we had a collaboration with Alimco, wherein we made sure that all the UDIDs, whatever apps and whatever aids and appliances they are eligible for, that they should get their required benefits. Apart from this, my simple message to everyone is that please consider this government and this administration, your local representative as your own. Any help that you need, any assistance that you might require from us, please feel free to reach us. You can reach us directly, you can reach us through your CBRWs, your MRWs, your DSW office, and we'll make sure that whatever is possible from our end, we'll make sure that that benefit or that assistance is reached to you.
Also, we are talking about the contribution part they are making to the society. As we know, there are 1.3 billion population around the globe who have been living with some form of disability. When it comes to India, around there are 3 crores population who have been living with some of disability. Now the need of the hour is to bring these people into the mainstream model of development. Though the empowerment of persons with disability is a state subject, the government of India is leaving no stone unturned to bring these people into the mainstream. Now, in this form, now the National Disability Act 1995 was passed. But what are the initiatives and schemes that are LPR in nature? But after India signing the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disability in 2007, there was a drastic change, there was a dramatic shift from social welfare, that charity, to a human right that is justiciable. And now this gives into the birth of RPWD Act 2016. After passing this act, there was drastic change in the lives of people of disability. Now it will be injustice. I will not say the contributions for the persons with disability make to the society. Here I would like to the success stories of some of the persons with disability. If people know Abhishek Bachchan, a famous actor who was suffering from dyslexia, a form of learning disability, but it could not stop him to become a successful actor, and his role in movie and Jiva is noteworthy. Like the Ira Singhal, who was suffering from scoliosis, but it could not stop her to clear the UPSC in 2014. That Abhunita Sinha, who was a mountaineer, but her life drastically changed when she met an accident and lost her both legs. But it could not stop her to scale Mount Everest. Now, apart from that, number of success stories like Sudha Chandra, a famous dancer, Ravindra Jain, a music composer, lyricist, Hawking, Stevenson, so many examples that have become a motivational factor to the persons with disability to go ahead in their lives. That's why the fact these persons of disability have been suffering from lot of obstacles and barriers in education, employment, health, and other services.
Ni kibre mi dam chibon ki beduna. Badon na pring juni ki ba kiak ke comment. Ande ki la banle ki ba pipi la banle. Targa I play social welfare department Madam Sun apo jingalam jopi ni yo ini program ha ni ka step.
Jadi ka electoral aku mau speaker ini initially kena ba pass class 7 solo. But ini ba the computer application tu initially ba pass class 10 solo. Kani ka training jungi kani ka free training. Ba ni ai tu ya ka stipend ka ba 8,000 sanspa manung tunai. Tu ka ni ka donation tu course tu ka dai sisna. Kalau ngai 2,000 sisna. Ta kalau tak nyerap ke bagi ai nak kena stipend. Tapi nyerap tu pen ai ka outside training. Kali outside training pat dari bagi pak sebab kalau lagi kena kita ka kerja formal training kemudian apa ITI. Tapi itu bakal distribution di don apa yang dipiru di dari 100%. Tapi pak untuk ITI dan apa politeknik itu juga ban kuliah technical area. Dan apa bentuk yang dipiru di kandidat bagi siapa. Nomor babun sien kini di reservation seat kan kinjul fail lah. Bandi sakmat babin apply itu nomor baga reservation jumpi bam naik pleno itu. Ban nakal yang sokoi pat milia kata rehabilitation support. Kata rehabilitation support pat baik kata self employment loan assistant kata lag nyerap. Dengan ini self employment loan assistant kali loan katakan by National Handicap Finance Development Corporation kadang sebagai kata mudra loan. Jadi kalau kilo kita ada sertifikat apa training, tentang kita akan sengkam lagi. Kali kalau kan kena aja harga concession rate kebagian harga interest katakan 6% jadi contain, 1% jadi senang. Jadi ju kata di sepangkal loan. Dan su badai kerja semangat ni kalau bunsin lagi lah ayah awareness kan untuk kisah pun yang ada omba baru ikuat lor. Jadi orang baru ikuat lor kimla banyak orang nama apa pilih betul dan orang training certificate. Kalau orang pilih langsung kami kat pensisa ya tak. Yang tak saya lah nak apply tak ada lor na mudah lor. Nanti orang sendiri misuk pulang kan ika job placement. Dengan ini job placement dan sebelum menau benai. Dan itu di company di Panabar, dapat nasional ru, pihak Shonhi yang interview dan hentak di lapangan syak selek. Setelah di sepanggar rehabilitation support. Itu air nyerap sepang ini di ADIP, jadi Assistant to Disability Person for Aid. Kali ini kalau untai itu di bawah jasong kiai yang hearing aid, itu di bawah layar kiai atau wheelchair, itu di bawah kiyo tu plastik, itu di bawah boleh pat kiyo tu jaga mobile phone. Pat ini di bawah di lokomotor disability lah 100%, ada 4% kiyo tu itu kan motorized vehicle. Tetapi untuk mereka DDRS scheme, mereka Dean Dial Rehabilitation for the Disabled. Tetapi ketika scheme kaba ai nyelap yaki NGO, iba ai rehabilitation support yaki PWD. Tetapi untuk ketika scholarship scheme for PWD, ketika scholarship scheme kalau untuk saubenta, kawai kalau pre-matric scholarship katakan kreatif itu dibahas kelas 10 support, dan post matric scholarship for person with disability itu dibahas kelas 10 support lalu graduation post graduate PhD. Terlalu mereka tuan tip kali segi pension unemployment allowance, kita ini scholarship kepada siapa anak saya pilih di kembali nak industri Industri scholarship for person with disability. Kali itu scholarship tu tadi itu di balak kuliah kelas 10 calon. Free coaching for Ruby and Ruby services tu. Coba tadi kita cuma ni industri scholarship. Ini industri scholarship kan nyerap itu mensirut yang baru kan jumlah yang kita dah pilih kelas ni eventual kan juga kan. Jadi KRU yang ni laptop jadi. Jadi bonsin kan ni industri guna apply na po Meghalaya. Dari kita di bawah training bagi hati ni nak apply lagi. Mentau senam kembali berumur bagi layo. Ya tak industri solusi. Kedua bukan ni kasih special recruitment drive dan tadi PWD. Kami kasih nampak di central government. Kami bonsin kepada nampak kajelah lagi menuju apply. Ya tu, dari sini diberi kepada apa? Yo apply, yo rungi MT. Kami tentu lebih pin apply jadi special recruitment drive for person with disability.